Hey there, this is Mark Up with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here in front of the 3 Solar Way condo, and it is ready to be seen. We're just doing some final cleaning touches on it now, and it's part of the Meeting House Hill development that is, you can see the houses are nearly complete and the condos are in process. So why don't we hop inside and you can see this 3-bedroom unit. I think you're going to love it. So as we come inside, you'll see there's a nice spacious foyer here, great for a display table, some artwork. You've got a good sized coat closet. You have another closet here, washer and dryer over here, and a linen closet with shelves over here. And as you go straight ahead, you've got a guest suite with enough space for a good sized bed, a full bath, and another spacious closet. And then you can even have folks have a separate entrance and they can go right out to their own patio out back. And also on this level, which is nice, you've got a 1-car garage with an electric car charger, which is awfully nice. And let's head upstairs. So as I come up to the top of the stairs, I feel like I'm in a tree house, which is really nice. You've got a patio right off the landing here, or a deck, not a patio. Got a nice deck. And you have your living room, dining room. You have a gas fireplace here, and your kitchen is here. You'll notice the undermount sink and gas stove and stainless appliances. And as we step forward, you'll see there's 2 bedrooms and a full bath here as well. Great natural light, tall ceilings, and the rooms all have heat pumps, which is nice for air conditioning and heat in the winter. Hopefully we'll need some air conditioning soon. And good sized closets. So big double window here, brings in lots of natural light. So if you're looking for a condo in the Meeting House Hill neighborhood, this is it. So we'd love to have you come check it out and give me a call. My name is Mark Gupp, and my phone number is 207-232-6127. Thanks for watching.